Hi everyone! Today I will show you the meaning of 30 short forms or acronyms or abbreviations in texting. So let's start the video now. The first one is AKA, means also known as. For example, if someone's name is Flower and that person is the most quiet one in the class, it can be like Flower aka the most quiet student at the class. AMA means Ask Me Anything. It's commonly used on social medias. On YouTube also, many creators do the AMA videos or live streams where they replies to the questions by the viewers. ASAP means as soon as possible. For example, we need to give the required information to the teacher ASAP. BAE, before anything or anyone else. This term can be used for boyfriend, girlfriend, spouse or simply anything that is your top priority. Like if watermelon is your favorite food, then you can use this term for watermelon as well. BRB, Be Right Back. For example, I'm going to the nearby store BRB. BTW By The Way. It gets used to add additional thoughts that relates to something ongoing. For example, hope the weather remains good tomorrow. BTW, I can use my new umbrella if it rains. DIY, do it yourself. You can find many DIY videos on YouTube which basically teaches you stuff that you can learn to do by yourself. FAQ, frequently asked questions. Many websites or apps provides a FAQ section which includes the most common questions by the users. FR, for real. This abbreviation gets used to emphasize that the mentioned sentence is actually true. For example, this time I did not do anything wrong, FR. FYI, for your information. For example, FYI, kittens are born with blue eyes but it can change as the kitten grows up. GG means good game. This abbreviation is used to express sportsmanship and acknowledgement towards an opponent, competitor or just somebody who did a good job. Currently, another popular meaning for GG is girl group, mainly refers to the girl groups in K-pop. IMO, in my opinion. This abbreviation expresses that something said by the speaker is only their perspective and not something that must be accepted by everyone else. For example, IMO, tea tastes a lot better without milk and sugar. MVP, most valuable player. This abbreviation can be used for sports and games, and these days it also gets used to refer to the best performer of a certain situation. NGL, not gonna lie. This acronym can be used to admit something which is a bit uncomfortable or awkward to admit. For example, I never really liked school, but NGL, I kind of miss school life now. OG, original gangster. It can mean someone or something is incredibly exceptional, amazing, unique, or just simply original or belong to the old school. OP, original poster or original post. In various social medias, OP is used to describe someone who started a certain thread or trend or the first post of a certain thread or trend. In gaming, it simply means overpowered. POG, play of the game. On social medias, POG is mostly said to someone if their work is extraordinary or epic or used after achieving something great. POV, point of view. This abbreviation is used to describe a certain situation from a certain perspective. You can find so many POV memes and comments in the social medias. PS, postscript. PS is used to include some additional thoughts which is written after the main text. For example, it's so good to see that everyone is doing well. Hope the vacation was good. PS, glad this time you were able to bring the pets too. Q&A, question and answer. Here the Q stands for question, the A for answer and the N in the middle is for and. So you can use the symbol of and instead of N as well. RN, right now. For example, the food smells so good I wanna eat it RN. SMH, shaking my head. This abbreviation is used to describe some unbelievable, unacceptable, unpleasant, disappointed, or even embarrassed feelings. For example, you don't know how to turn on the Wi-Fi, SMH. SUS, suspicious or suspect. It means someone or something is suspect or being suspicious. And of course, it became popular by the extremely popular game Among Us. TBA, to be announced, means something is scheduled but a part of it will be announced later. TBC, to be continued or to be confirmed, means something ended unfinished and will be continued later, or something is planned but a certain part of it is yet to be confirmed. TBD, to be declared, means something is planned but a particular part of it will be declared later. TBH, to be honest. For example, TBH, I don't like that song at all. TMI, too much information. This acronym is used to describe information that is too detailed and might not be necessary at all. XOXO means hugs and kisses. Here the alphabet X represents a kiss and the alphabet O represents a hug. So in that case, XOXO should actually be kisses and hugs because X is first here. But XOXO is always used as the abbreviation for hugs and kisses. It can also be used as XO or XOX for the same meaning. The X alone stands for only kiss and O for only hug. And the last one is YOLO, means you only live once. It means you have only one life, so you should make the best out of it by enjoying it to the fullest. So that's all for this video. To watch more videos like this, click on the video or the playlist on the screen and subscribe for new videos.